What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Torque Spec Garage. Today we have a tool review video. I've never done one of these, so I figured what better chance than right now. I actually bought this off of Temu, believe it or not, so we're going to see just how good it is. I've seen a lot of people like hyping this thing up, so hopefully it's good. Hopefully it's not just a piece of junk, but we're about to get a honest, in-depth review of it right now. All right, guys, so today we're going to be reviewing the VEVOR 5-ton hydraulic jack. It gets power from your little auxiliary port from your car. It says this thing can lift up to 5 tons. I think that's a bold statement, but we're gonna try to lift the heaviest thing in the driveway, which I believe is my Chevy truck. So we're gonna see how that goes. I believe this kit also comes with a impact, sockets, a little emergency hammer to like bust out your window if you ever have to. It's got leads to, you can use it to power from your battery to power it if you don't want to use your little auxiliary port. So let's get this opened up and see what it holds. All right, guys, so here's the tool itself. So obviously this side is where your little air pump is. Just pop the door open. It's got your air hose, extra fuses, attachments if you need to pump up like a sports ball. All kinds of different attachments. Pretty cool. All right, guys, and on the other side here, you have your little power door. So you open it up and it's got your lead in here that you just hook this into, and then this will plug into your accessory port inside the car for your power. You have your pressure gauge for the tire, or yeah, for your air pump. Let's see, I'm just kind of learning this as we go here. So this is to turn the tire pump on. Looks like that's how you turn the jack on. Flashlight, and then up and down. Pretty simple, pretty cool. And then the jack has a pretty good bit of adjustability. In case your car's a little higher off the ground, you can spin this all the way out. So, pretty nifty. So, let's go see if it'll pick up a truck. All right, guys, and then real quick, we can go over what else is in here. Like I said, you have your other leads to hook up to the battery if you want to use the power from your battery instead of your little accessory port. We have the little emergency tool to get out of your car. If you ever have to like break your window out or cut your seatbelt off, it comes with that. So I guess this is more of like a roadside emergency kit, which is pretty cool. Let's see. Comes with a little impact to get your lug nuts off, loosen, tighten. This thing's actually pretty nifty. I'm not even gonna lie about it. Comes with sockets. Looks like you got 2 different size sockets for different size lug nuts. Huh, pretty cool. All right, well, let's go see how this thing works. All right, guys, so we got it hooked into our accessory port in the truck. And like I said, guys, they give you a good bit of length on the cord here. So, got it lined up under the frame. We'll turn the jack to on, up. We'll see what happens. Okay. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually kind of impressed. Because I know this truck is not light. Tire is off the ground. That's actually very impressive. Not even gonna lie about it. That's so cool. And guys, always remember, it's always a safe idea whenever you're messing with a jack or whatever. Always be sure you use jack stands. I know in some cases, if you're using this on the side of the road, you might not have jack stands with you. But if you're working with it at home and stuff and you have jack stands, please use jack stands. Never a bad idea. Alright guys, so once you want to use the little impact, you just unplug from your little power spot on the side that you use to power the jack. Just plugs right into the back of here. It comes with a socket. In this case, these are 17mm sockets or lug nuts. So just throw it on here and let's see. Okay. Not gonna lie. Very impressed. Okay, that's kind of cool, actually. So, in fact, does work. Has a flashlight on it. Pretty cool. I was not expecting that. I wasn't expecting any of this. I'm not even gonna lie. This whole setup was like $79, I think, for the whole kit. So that's actually mind-blowing. Because I literally just told my wife, I had zero confidence this thing was gonna work. Not even kidding at all. Actually insane. But yeah, like I said, you have a good bit of room. You could easily swap a tire out. So this thing might be getting kept in the car. Again, shout out to VEVOR for this one. This is awesome. All right, guys, and then to lower it back down, just move your jack. Make sure you still have it set on the jack position, and then just hit down. Yeah. Not even remotely kidding, guys, whenever I say I am genuinely impressed. Totally did not expect that at all, but that's actually pretty freaking sweet. This little thing just actually impressed me more than a tool has in a very long time. That's actually, I can't get over that. That's insane. See, check out the flashlight. It's got a nice LED flashlight on it. It's even got one that shines up so you can see where the jack's going. That's pretty cool. Okay, well, let's check out the tire pump, see if that works, and then this thing speaks for itself. It sold me. This is not a sponsored video, guys, in any way, shape, or form. I bought this with my own money, like I said, off of Temu, of all places, so that's why I was kind of skeptical, but I'm like, you know, it's worth a shot. And so far, I am absolutely blown away. For $79. Everything works. Like, and it works phenomenal. It's actually very, very impressive what they've been able to do here with this this little machine. All right, guys, so once you get the air side opened up, you just pull the hose off, and you don't even have to put an end on it. The end that's already made onto the hose just threads onto your valve stem. I mean, they thought of everything. This is so cool. Like, I don't get impressed that much, but this is actually pretty freaking sweet. So let me get this started on here and I'll be right back just a second. All right, guys, so the gauge actually reads the pressure once you hook it up. So this thing's got just under 30 pounds in it. So all you want to do, switch it to air. All right, guys, so yeah, it probably took about, I'd say right at a minute to go from just under 30 to about 35 pounds. I'm almost speechless. This is like blowing my mind. Not as much the tire thing, that's pretty, they've been doing that for a while, but the jack part, that really just, that blew me away, man. That's crazy. So that's kind of it for the review, guys. I would give this thing a 10 out of 10 for the initial like out of box test run. I'm just baffled. That's awesome. This would be great to like keep in your car for the you never know what could happen kind of thing. I mean, it's cheap, it works. So I mean, that's pretty cool. I'll try to find a link to this thing where I got it off Temu and link it in the description of this video if you want to pick one up. All right, guys, and then whenever you're done, either on the side of the road or just if you're working on something at home, just get everything put back in your case. Then you toss this back in your car, or if you keep it at home. I'm probably going to keep this in my car, honestly. That's super handy to have with you. I would say that's more of like an emergency roadside kit than like an at-home use kit, but that's... I know I've said it a million times already in this video or review, but I'm absolutely mind blown. Did not think, I thought the truck was too high up for it to lift it up, because the truck is lifted and it's got bigger wheels and tires on it. But that's crazy. All right, guys, and that pretty much sums it up for the review. I'm genuinely impressed. I did not think that would impress me as much as it did, but that's something that's definitely super, super handy to have. So again, shout out to VEVOR for making something that's A, cost effective. It works, you know. I don't know, like, I haven't priced out like jacks or jack stands or anything recently, but I can't imagine, like, even the little like manual, like little tiny bottle jacks were like 50, 60 bucks, or used to be. So they're probably more now. But that thing, like I said, that thing was like $79. The whole kit, everything, shipped to my door. So that's incredible. I'm so blown away. Like I said, I don't get excited about tools. I mean, I always get excited about tools, but that's it works. So that's cool. But I'll try, like I said, I'll try to find the link for it and leave it in the description if you guys want to pick one of these up just to have for yourselves. And that's going to do it for the first ever tool review on this channel. If you guys like me doing these kind of little tool trinket reviews, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you pick one of these up for yourself. And if you did decide to, you know, totally recommend it, clearly. Not sponsored at all. But VEVOR, if you're watching, sponsor your boy. Guys, don't forget to hit that like button, leave me a comment, hit that subscribe button, turn the bell on, and stay with me for this journey. I'm having so much fun with all this YouTube stuff. I really am. You guys, you know, make it worth doing. So, my wife's looking at me through the window. She's ruining my outro. But again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to another video here on Torque Spec Garage. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.